What's going on, guys? Thanks for tuning in to another video. For today, right now I'm going to be going over to my local Ford dealership to get an oil change on the car because it needs one already. And then my Diode Dynamics interior lights just came in, so I'm going to be putting those on after. So here it is. I ordered the LED conversion kit. It comes with all the vanity lights, the glove box, for the map, all that stuff. So they're gonna be white instead of the crusty ass yellow that the cars come with, because I don't like this right here. That yellow right here, all this, so all these are gonna be white. So I'm excited to put these on. I'll pick up the camera in a little bit once I get over to Perry Ford and get my oil change real quick, and then we'll get these put on. See you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, just dropped her off for service. I don't have any Mustangs. I'm gonna walk around the dealership, see what I find. $120 for an oil change. $127 for an oil change. What are you guys paying for an oil change? To get this stuff off, you're gonna need to get a flathead screwdriver and just kind of pry it out. So let me get this off of here. It's kind of hard to do it with one hand, but I'll get them off just with the flathead screwdriver, and I'll pick up the camera again in a little bit. All right, and then for this side, once you get these little tabs off of there, there's gonna be two little Phillips head screwdrivers here and here, and you just remove them and you close this part and just kind of with your hand or a pick tool just pry on this, and this whole part will come off. So let me get that off real quick. So yeah, so you get this whole part out of there, and then the bulbs are easier to get to right here. So here's one and here's the other one. Let me replace those real quick. All right guys, be gentle with that shit because I just broke one, but this is the old one. I already put the one for this side in, so I'm just gonna get that one done. All right, so afterwards you just push this part back in, make sure it's clipped on there right, and make sure they work. Hell yeah. And then you just put these little parts back in. So let me do that real quick. All right, so then to remove this one here, what you have to do is just kind of pull on this down. I don't think this is being held on by anything. Let me set this down and get that off of there. All right guys, so now once you get that part off, in here you have the connectors for the bulbs. So you just pull those out and then replace them with your new bulbs. So let me get those out of there real quick. All right, so now that bulb is in there, and then yeah, so I'm gonna turn it on, make sure it works. Oh, looking bright compared to this one. Look at that, look at the difference. Hell yeah, looks way better. All right, so do the same for the one over on this side. Just take it out, just pull this part here just out, and then clip in the new light bulb. So yeah, let me do that. All right, and also real quick, if your lights have been on, these fucking little bulbs are hot, so just be careful with that, because I just burned myself. So I used like a rag to pull them off, but yeah, then you just plug in your new one. Yeah, let's just put this one in here. It's just hard doing this shit with one hand. Let's see. All right guys, then you're gonna do the same for this side. Just remove these. You could use up any flathead or anything like that, but it's got to be really skinny, so I'm using a knife. But yeah, you just pull that part out and then unbolt the screws here, close it, pry this off, and then you get easier access to the bulbs. So let me do that. Alright guys, and this is what it looks like with all the lights in. Way better, way better. No more piss yellow. Let me know what you guys think about the lights down in the comments. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share, like, all that good stuff. See you guys on the next one.